Once upon a time, in a sparkling forest filled with wondrous creatures, there lived a tiny dragon named Pip. Pip was not much larger than a rabbit, and he spent his days happily collecting shiny pebbles, treasuring each one. One sunny morning, Pip had an idea to help his dear friend Bella Bunny, who was busy baking her famous blueberry muffins. As Pip excitedly twitched his nose at the sweet aroma, a loud achoo escaped him. To Pip's surprise, tiny flames burst from his nose, sending a muffin soaring through the air. "Oh no!" exclaimed Bella as she watched the muffin fly. Pip hung his head, feeling sorry. "I ruin everything with my dragon sneezes," he said gloomily. But Bella, with a twinkle in her eye, said, "Maybe your sneezes can help after all." Pip's spirits lifted as he carefully directed one small sneeze towards the oven. Whoosh! In an instant, the muffins were baked to a perfect golden brown. Soon, all the forest animals gathered around, eager to taste Bella's delicious muffins. "Best muffins ever!" cheered the squirrels, their faces full of delight. Pip grinned with pride, realizing that what made him different could also make him special. From that day forward, Pip was known as the forest's tiniest and most helpful dragon baker.